Also on this week we're talking about clothes and making sure that they've got that clothes vocabulary, and we're introducing big and little. And so this is a really good one if you have some dressing up clothes or some dolls clothes, and you can kind of match them up. So we've got a little dressing up dress, so there's a big dress, and we've managed to find a little doll's dress. We've got some socks, so we've got some big socks, so there might be maybe a pair of your socks, and then some little socks, which could be your child's socks, and we've got some big trousers, little trousers. So just a selection of clothes. It might be that when you're folding the washing, maybe you could kind of look at, you know, they could help you with the washing, and you can talk about this is Daddy's top, and Daddy's top's a big top, and this is your top, and this one's a little top. It might be that you're, like, say you're folding up the socks, and you've got Mummy's socks, and Mummy's socks are big socks, and your child's socks, they're little socks. So we want to kind of get all that vocabulary in there, and we're introducing the language of big and little as well. They're starting to become aware of which is big and which is little. One of the other things that you can do is, if you're creative, you could have a box and make that into a washing machine. You might have a little play washing line, or you might have a little clothes horse or something that you have out in the garden. It could be an activity that you do in the garden where you are washing clothes. You could have a big bowl of water, and you know, you can kind of put some clothes in there, and you can be washing them. You bring it in wet and dry, and then you're talking about big and little, and then you can kind of say, oh, where should we put them? Should we put them on the washing line, or shall we put them in the water to wash? So you're kind of giving them some different options there of where to put the clothes as well. And so that once they've washed them, you've been able to talk about big and little, you've been able to talk about wet and dry.